this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some fun camping summer tier tray DIY ideas for you. So for the first one, we're gonna do a little barbecue grill. I actually picked this up at the toy aisle at Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be perfect for a camping theme tier tray. The only thing is I need to make it silver. So I tried using some acrylic there, but it wasn't working too well. So I did have some metallic silver spray paint, so I took it outside and sprayed it with that, and that worked perfectly. Now I just have a little wood base from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use to put it on, and this is going to look so fun on the camping theme for the tier tray. Once I get that dry, I just attach it with a little bit of hot glue. And then I even found some fun summer barbecue stickers from the crafter section at Dollar Tree, where I can even put some items on the grill. If you couldn't find these, you could get really creative with some model magic or something like that. Make a few things to put on the grill. But I think that little doll barbecue grill looks so fun, painted silver like that, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my camping tier tray right here. And don't go anywhere, I have another fun camping DIY as well. This is one of the little camper figurines from Dollar Tree, and I thought we could DIY it to look like an Airstream camper. Really easy to do. All I did was paint the entire thing the metallic silver color just using some acrylic paint, and it really made it look so much better because it has the perfect shape for like the Airstream camper. Just needed to have a new paint job. Now for the tires, if you need to do fine detail work on these pieces, Sharpies work great for that. So I'm just using a black Sharpie, kind of drawing on the features that you can see just to make them stand out a little bit and give it a little bit more dimension. So all the different places, I use another wood block to elevate this one just to make sure that you're going to be able to see it on the camping tier tray. And this is how it looks. I will show you how they all came together, all Dollar Tree DIYs, and a few items there from the Dollar General. And I think it's a really fun tier tray theme for summer.